Even if you're using AI for free, somebody's paying for it. The servers that AI or artificial AI, the servers that a lot of these tools are on, they cost a lot of money. And not just money, they cost a lot of resources. There are cities right now whose water systems are being diverted to cool down these computers, which has a negative impact on our environment.
According to Sam Altman, the boss of OpenAI, if you type, "Can you help me solve this maths problem?" that's a drop. Or, "Can I put lime instead of lemon in this recipe?" That's a drop. Or, "Why is the sky blue? Help me write this email. Help me improve my website code." Mr. Altman claims there are 1 billion messages sent to ChatGPT every day. And ChatGPT is just one AI bot. Chuck in Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, and others. It's clear that the AI revolution is a thirsty one.
So I think everyone needs to be mindful of how they use all of these artificial intelligence tools. We should use them, but we need to use them with sense. I always say, technology is never free. Someone is paying for it. Maybe you with your data. But with AI tools right now, our environment is paying for it. So we all need to be very smart about how we use AI tools. People are running out of water, people are running out of electricity, or electricity is getting more expensive for some people because of artificial intelligence tools. Now, we're not all going to stop using it, but we can use it with sense. So learn how to prompt, learn how to write your prompt in a way that you do it in as little time and with little effort as for the tool and even for you as possible.
Let's look at this comprehensive prompt. You are a senior product marketing manager at Apple, persona, and you have just unveiled the latest Apple product in collaboration with Tesla, the Apple car, and received 12,000 pre-orders, which is 200% higher than target. Context. Write an email to your boss, Tim Cookie, sharing this positive news. Task and format. Example, structure. Use clear and concise language and write in a confident yet friendly tone.
When you write all these small messages for AI, every message you send on an AI tool, it costs energy, it costs money. So if you're able to say it in one message and you're able to say it in a way that you can get your results at once, you're saving energy and you're saving money. Before you pay for an AI tool, you need to talk about, am I going to need this thing 30 days from now? I remember paying for an AI tool I only needed it for 1 day when there was another tool that could do almost everything. So do your research, search for tools that can do as many things as possible. And like I said, there are only like 5 original AI companies. Everybody else is just building something on top. So honestly, if you know how to use ChatGPT properly, you might not need 5 other tools, maybe 1 or 2 others. Or if you know how to use Gemini very well, you might not need. So if you learn how to use the base or the main ones, all the smaller ones that come on top, I know they want to make money and I encourage small businesses, but you that you're paying for it, so you don't get distracted, learn how to use the main ones. And then if there's now a specific use case that you ultimately cannot use them for, then you can now explore other tools. Understand the goal you're trying to achieve. I need you to think about your AI tool like it's a smart assistant. It's not going to do everything for you. You still need to use your brain. Please don't outsource your brain to AI. It's very easy to do, and it's one of the things that's going to impact our cognitive function in the future if you do this. If you know you're going to use artificial intelligence, you need to use it responsibly. Make sure that you're still thinking. Make sure that you're not taking everything they say hook, line, and sinker. I do some hiring, and then some people write their cover letters fully with AI. I'm like, I understand, yes, you should write it, but why would you put, the message at the top and the message at the bottom? They didn't even read through. People have stopped reading because of artificial intelligence. But my point is, if you have a homework, don't put in the full homework into artificial intelligence. Try to understand the homework first. Try to do certain parts. The parts that you can't do, maybe you can put it in, and then you can now combine what you have done plus what you've generated from the artificial intelligence tool, and then you can ask it to clean everything together or to combine it for you. So don't let AI do a lot of the work that you do. Oh yes, and there's something about AI that a lot of people don't know. Any information that you put inside there is now their property. So those of you that are putting your thesis, putting your own profile picture, I remember when there was this, is it GB or so? There was this trend about creating your images with AI tools. You don't know what they're going to use it for. You don't know on whose computer it's going to show up on next. So be careful of the information you post in there, especially your personal information. You will just, those of you posting all your full documents, you will just see one day somebody has your phone number, your address, a random person from another part of the world, because your data is what is taken to train the models that now help to make it better. So anything you put in there is now public property. So this is how to use AI responsibly. Don't put in personal information on there. Just put in information that you can be found on the public domain or you don't mind being on the public domain. If you want to drive growth in your business, in your life, in your career, use AI with sense. Know how to prompt, know how to combine, don't outsource your brain to it. Use this sustainably. I don't remember the other points I've made. But yeah, if this was helpful for you, please subscribe, like this video, share it with somebody, and leave a comment. I'll really appreciate it. I'd like to know your other insights about AI. Obviously, I like to keep my videos very short. So there are a lot of things I have not said. So if there's something you want to add in the comment section, let me know and let's chat in there.